Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's topic, what we are going to discuss about is the review and preview show. And a little bit of announcement to all the viewers. What is that is, since the government restriction has been lifted up, so we have started our trading floor in a full-fledged manner. So the trading floor is open for all our students in Bangalore, so you can come and use our trading floor. In case if you want to join with us, you can opt for the trading floor as well after you finish our courses. So what is a trading floor and all those stuffs I have made on a separate video on that. So in case if you want to know about that, you can just go and check about what is a trading floor. So in case if you want to see what is a trading floor, let me show you a little clip so you can have a glimpse of what happens in a trading floor and how myself and Deepak sir or all the trainers will help the people on how to take a trade. So what happens in a trading floor is most of the time the people have a little bit of fear whether to take a trade or not. After even finishing the courses, that fear will always be there because they are new to this. So as a professional in the market, and so that is what we try to do is when they start to come to the trading floor, we sit together in online as well as offline, and we help them to check their analysis. They just need a confirmation. For an instance, after a student has predicted the market is going to go up, but still there will be a little bit of fear. So from my professional point of view, when I say yes, it is the analysis is right, then they have a lot of confidence and they go and take a trade. So that is what we are trying to create in the trading floor. So I'll just give you a glimpse of how a trading floor looks like. So this is how our trading floor looks like, and myself and Deepak sir and all the trainers will be there for guidance for the new students, as well as if you're trading for a lot of time and you're making consistent losses. So we are there to help you on how to make a consistently profitable trades. Alright, so that is for the trading floor, and let us get into the review preview show. So, all right, guys, coming to Nifty 50. So, Nifty 50 is at a very crucial level. That is, the market has broken below 16,400 and it has given a target of 800 points as we predicted. And now, what happened is the market has given a correction. Now, this correction cannot be taken as an uptrend. See, since the market has come all the way down, so this is just considered as a correction only. It cannot be considered as a uptrend. So until the market is not able to break above 16,800, we cannot consider this as a buy trend. And so one more thing is in 4 hours chart, we have a trend line, and plus we have an inverted head and shoulder pattern as well. So everything is suggesting one thing, that the market has to break above 16,800. So once the market is able to break above 16,800, so we can definitely go for a buy, and the target says we can expect 18,280, and if the market is able to break above the all-time high, then we can expect around 19,800, almost 20,000 will be a target for Nifty. So the crucial point will be 16,800. So once market moves and closes above 16,800, we can go for a buy in Nifty. All right. So until then, it is like a sideways market. It can reach the resistance and come back to the support at 15,600. So once market closes above 16,800, we can go for a long-term investments for buy. All right, so coming to Bank Nifty. So as you can see, Bank Nifty is also in a sideways market, and the market is taking a very strong level of support at 34,000 mark. So the market was every time when the market reaches 34,000, it was rejecting. And this time, what happened is it was a huge gap down, and finally, market came up to 32,000 level, and it already came back again above 34,000 level as well. So my suggestion is now it is in a sideways market. So when it is in a sideways market, it is always better to wait and hold and see what is the market going to do the next thing. So if the market is able to sustain about 34,000, then we can expect the market to go to the previous high level, the previous resistance around 39,200. If the market is not able to sustain and it comes and closes below 34,000, then we can go for a sell, and the targets will be 31,570 and 26,834. So this is the scenario for Bank Nifty. So it's in a clear sideways movement. Wait for some more time until the market gives you a clear confirmation from Monday or Tuesday. Then it is better to enter into the trade for Bank Nifty. And coming to gold. So as you can see, the gold has reached our target. So we have already given the target of 2060, and the gold has already reached it. So now the question is whether it will break the all-time high or it's going to come for a correction. No, as you can see from gold chart, the market has given a huge rally from 1780 to 2070, and now the correction has come up to 38 percentage. I'm expecting it can come up to 1925, around 50 percentage of the Fibonacci retracement. So if the market is able to come at 1925, that will be a very good opportunity to buy again. So don't go for sell, since the market is in a high volatile and it is in a purely long-term uptrend. It is always better to look at an opportunity when the market comes down and try to enter a buy position for in a long-term perspective. So coming, the gold is in a long-term buy trend. So every time the market comes down, look it as an opportunity and try to buy as much as gold as possible. All right. So that is for the review and preview today. So all right, guys. So I hope this video was useful. So that is for the review and preview for this week. In case you want to come and join our trading floor, you want to opt for our classes as well. So we at Trade Achievers, we teach people on how to make consistently profitable trades using proper technical analysis. No indicators whatsoever. This is pure price action trading. So in case if you want to join us, you can give us a call in the description below. And so our classes will be starting on Monday in Bangalore and the places near Jayanagar, 3rd block. So in case if you need further more details about that, you can always call us at the given number. And we do have our online classes as well in case if you're not able to come to our branches. And if you're an office goer or not able to come regularly, you can always opt for weekend batches as well. So every Saturday we have a weekend batches as well. So you can also choose that in case it is convenient for you. All right. So that is for the review and preview today. And thank you very much for joining. Take care.